Hello, Surfside Beach 29575. I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group. This is your April 2024 local market update, and these are for single-family residential. This does not include townhomes, condos, or manufactured homes. So if you're looking for that information, please reach out to me at 843-222-7800. So average sales price in 29575, which is Surfside, was $517,098. Days on market was actually the lowest it's been so far in 2024. It's 68 days on market. And then the price per square foot was $202 is where it ended. And the month supply, we don't have a lot of supply there, 2.1, because the only place that they're really building besides, a tear down or a lot is like the Deerfield Plantation area, that they actually have some subdivisions going in. So that affects your inventory. 59 active listings only, 31 pending, and 26 closed sales. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help however I can. Thanks for watching.